If you're looking for a simple and useful gift you can make for someone who has an iPhone, why not make them this simple stand that allows them to use standby mode in iOS 17? The stand comes apart and packs easily in a bag, so it's ideal for when you visit family, go on holidays, or travel for work. It's also useful when you go to the office and have a different desk each day. Standby mode allows you to see a clock, your schedule, photos, and other content when the phone is charging and is standing in a landscape orientation. You just tap on the screen to see the widgets, which you can customize. During the day at a desk, it's a quick way to check the time and what you have coming up or see a favorite photo. At night, the display uses a dimmed red light so that when you tap to see what time it is, the light doesn't wake you up. The stand is very simple. It is two 3-inch by 5-inch pieces of 1/4 inch plywood that each have a 1/4 inch slot so they fit together. When I made mine, I cut a 3-inch by 10-inch piece of 1/4 inch plywood and then cut the slots in each end so it was easier to hold on the workbench with clamps. First, I marked where the slots are to be cut. I cut them 3/4 of an inch from one of the long sides of the board, and the slot is half the length of the board. This gives enough of a ledge for the phone. To cut the slots, there are many methods you can use. One that requires a minimum of complex tools is to drill a hole with a 1/4 inch drill bit at the end of the slot, then cut along the lines with a handsaw, jigsaw, or oscillating tool. You can also cut the slot with a router, bandsaw, or table saw. Cut the 10-inch piece in half to get the two 5-inch long pieces. Sand the pieces smooth. You can finish the wood if you want with stain or paint. That's how you can make a simple and very useful gift for a friend or family member this year. It won't cost much or take much time, but will be used and appreciated.